And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the north. Nice clear skies today. Lovely day today. I actually washed my car. It just felt good to get the grime off it. 2 degrees is where we're at right now. This morning, Mike LeBlanc and I were talking on 98.1 CKVN radio on the morning show saying, you know, we'd be happy to get to 0, but we surpassed that. A lot of it had to do with the sunshine and that area of high pressure that Jackie and I were just talking about being the dominating weather factor. Boy, it just bumped our temperatures up. Wind out of the west at about 26 kilometers per hour. Didn't feel very windy out there when we were out and about earlier this afternoon, and things are looking pretty good. Overnight lows a little milder than what we had last night, and that's because we're expecting a little bit of cloud cover to move in. Kind of acts as a blanket, a bit of insulation so we don't get quite as cold. So -8 thereabouts is what we're expecting for our overnight low tonight. But you can see those temperatures up on the screen looking very, very pleasant. Seasonal in some areas, slightly above seasonal in other areas. And for us here in Lethbridge, -8 will be 2 degrees warmer for our overnight low than what we should be at this time of year. Satellite map is showing very, very high thin cloud, and that's all we're dealing with right now. That area of high pressure really does scour out all the cloud cover. It's pushed it off to the south. There is some cloud developing already to the north. There's a system that's just moving across the Prince George area. It's packed with snow, and it's expected the trajectory is going to be from west to east, so it'll be hitting into Edmonton tomorrow, expecting to see a little bit of snowfall there. The possibility of that. Forecaster indicating that most of the precipitation is going to be to the west of the Continental Divide, but just this system that's developing just kind of out of range here is expected to continue to move across and maybe impact Edmonton and a couple of areas further to the north. But here in the south, we're going to be staying in that dry, very sunny condition thanks to the area of high pressure. As I said, it'll be in play for a few days. We do have a chance of a shower in the 5-day forecast, and you'll see that when it comes up on the screen. Down east, we got 2 systems. One is an Atlantic system that's going to be hitting the Avalon Peninsula overnight tonight. Heavy rain this time, not the snow that they've been getting, but they could see 25 millimeters, and then heavy rain and freezing rain warnings are out for southern Ontario in through the Toronto-Ottawa area, expecting to see some rain showers tonight, turning to snow the further east that system moves. Some light snowfall over the last few hours in Winnipeg right now, cloudy skies in Regina, sunshine in Saskatoon, cloudy skies in Edmonton, and on the coast in Vancouver, fairly cloudy skies, and they're expecting 4 or 5 days of rain. Not the situation up north. Whitehorse and Yellowknife both expecting to see a sun and cloud mix for the next few days. Whitehorse even getting more sunshine, more solid sunshine, and less cloud over the next few days. So pretty sunny the further north you get. Our regional forecast coming up on the screen in a moment here, and we'll be looking at East Kootenay overnight tonight, looking at a low of -10 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, a sun and cloud mix, 2 degrees for a daytime high. West winds at 20 kilometers per hour. Crow's Nest Pass, looking at an overnight low of -6 degrees, not too chilly, 1 degree for a daytime high tomorrow. Windy tonight. Yeah, it's going to be windy for you tomorrow as well. Medicine Hat, clear skies tonight down to -13 degrees, 1 degree for a high tomorrow. West winds at 30, gusting to 50 kilometers per hour. In the afternoon, in the morning, 20 to 40 that you saw on your screen. And Lethbridge, we're looking at -8 for an overnight low, +1 for a high tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix, a little windy in the afternoon hours out of the west at 20 to 40 kilometers per hour. There's your 5-day forecast. Things looking pretty healthy. We are looking at a chance of some shower activity as we get into Friday. We could see some showers, and then again on Saturday we have a chance of seeing a little bit of shower activity mixed in with that cloudy sky pattern that's there. But for the most part, temperatures are looking really nice. Average is 2 degrees. We're doing okay. That's it for me. Have a good evening, everyone.